Hello everyone, I am Dr. Pallavi Kashyap, dermatologist and consultant. Today we are here to discuss upon a very crucial topic these days, especially during and after lockdown. That is your dark eye circles as well as the tired face. People these days spend a lot of time, especially during lockdown, in front of their smartphones, laptops. A recent research in year 2019 just said that these millennials often spend around 4 hours or 4.5 hours daily over their smartphones. So there are various hazards. Obviously now these days we cannot even imagine our life without these gadgets, but there has to be some amount of consideration for our own health as well. So being a dermatologist, I went through different articles, and me myself, I spend a lot of time on my phone. Yes, I'm the culprit. And so here we are just giving you some tips so that you can enjoy your time but rest. You can take care of your skin as well. What are the hazards actually? This blue light, that high intensity blue light, actually is cannot be confused with UV rays, but yeah, it is hazardous. And the very hazardous part of it is that it can affect you during night also. The UV rays are only during the day, so day and night both are in danger. And this blue light, if you keep your face very close to the phone, then it will be more hazardous. So one thing, you should keep your phone at a distance of an arm's length, or a laptop at a distance of an arm's length. Then you can use UV filters as well, which are very common in all the phones, so that you can get the yellow light, not the blue one, which is less hazardous. Now you can do one thing. If we stare and glare at the screen for around like 20 minutes, apply this 20-20-20 rule. If you're working for 20 minutes, take a break for 20 seconds, look at something which is far away 20 feet, and don't forget to blink. So that will help in the accommodation reflex also, and your eyes will have some exercise as well, because completely glued to the screen makes it more tiresome and makes it more difficult for you to stay away from dark circles. These days we are doing everything on laptop. In fact, this video also you'll be watching on one of the screens only. So what to do, how to prevent it, how to prevent your skin? First of all, this causes melasma in some patient, hyperpigmentation, blemishes, and photo aging. Then it also causes some redness or erythema in few people. So for the basic protection is that you have to apply a sunscreen which has to be SPF 30, and has to be a physical sunscreen which is containing iron oxide. Okay, then you can also apply antioxidants. Antioxidants are very good. They help in collagen development, and also they prevent the elongation or prevent the collagen from elasticity. Hence it will prevent you from photo aging. Then vitamin C serum, which is very rich in the antioxidant, can be used beneath the sunscreen, and then you can apply the sunscreen over it. Or you can take supplements or food rich in vitamin C also, which is a very good antioxidant, because at these days our immunity is the king. So you have to be perfectly fine inside, then only the radiance will go outside. Never forget to moisturize your skin. The moisturizer is a compulsion, whether it's summer or winter. In summer, generally use gel based or water based moisturizer. Then you have to cleanse your face. Make sure that you cleanse your face with soap free cleanser. Don't use a lot of chemicals or face masks available, because they will exfoliate your skin and cause further erythema. Then what else you can do? You can drink water, which is very important. So make sure that you drink at least 4 to 5 liters of water, and use some people have a problem in their eyes, so you can use some UV protective lenses which are non-powered, and they will help you with a better vision and will protect your eyes from the damage as well. So this is just a small message from my side. I know the screen is very important, but your health is rather than more important than everything. So please take care of yourself, stay safe, stay healthy, and take care.